The belt I'm installing on this Lincoln is a 040352 SF. I believe that SF stands for stretch fit. As you can see, it says right below it there. And this is from NAPA. I'm installing a stretch fit power steering belt on a 2008 Lincoln MKX. This is a little bit screwy. It's really buried in here and you can't really use any of the normal tools on it. So I figured I'd make a video of it. So I've got the fender liner up out of the way here. I've got the belt on here around the crankshaft pulley slash harmonic dampener. It's a little tough to see, but it's on the back belt groove on the harmonic dampener. And then it's up around the power steering pump, and I've put a large zip tie on it. So that's how I've set this up. So now we'll set the camera down here, and I'm going to put an 18mm socket on the crankshaft bolt, and we're going to turn it clockwise, and with any luck it'll install on that back pulley and we'll be able to cut the zip tie off. All right, we're gonna turn this a little bit, try and get a little bit of traction here. We'll see if that got me the traction I needed. And we're around, it looks like we're pulling the zip tie off. So I've clipped the zip tie off of there, and we're just gonna spin it around a couple times. Make sure everything looks good. And it looks like we're seated correctly in the power steering pulley groove and in the crankshaft harmonic dampener pulley groove. So there you go. A little bit of a pain for sure, but basically with a zip tie, it's not too bad of a job.